Anauba Chief Minister Oigataba Mishak, BJP ki Central Leaders Singna Kangadabani Haina, BJP ki Legislature Yunam Khemchand Fongdokre, Wahamasi, Nontoman Birena, Chief Minister Famde Resign Tokabamatu, Anauba Chief Minister Kandringai Manguinana, North Eosit Labor Hotel Infalda, Lady BJP ki Manipur in charge Amasu, National Spokesperson Sabit Patraga Unaraba Matunda, MLA Khemchand Fongolang Mani, Amaram the Northeast ki Coordinator Supu Uriba. Samit Patra Nangasi, Manipuri BJP ruling MLA Karaga Kanana Unaki, Makoi Manong the MLA TS Basanta Kumar MLA Dinganglong Gamay, TS Radesh Sham Suyauki Hari, Adabu, closed door the Pangtok meeting under the Kariwari Shanaki Habis up Sabawa from the Kamangam Drabasu, where a Katabano Basiam Gimatanga, legislature Sigimasago Wafam, Kangdok Nabani Hari.
So, whatever the decision taken by the High Command, that we accept it. The problem is gone. Now the problem we're facing is how to bring back normalcy. So I'm just coming here to talk about the normalcy.
Will there be, you see, the process of reconciliation between the two communities?
Yeah, I think it will start very soon at the earliest. Yes, party, system of the party, whatever the party high command decide, we have to accept it. It is not matter that who will be, that these are all, I mean, you may hear from anybody, but this is the way in the near future, whatever decided by the high command will be accepting all the members of the